wanted to go that way again a little bit more. So leave the... You were like, yes, I'm out. Let's come back in. Right, let's take the next road. Coming up on the right-hand side, please. On the right-hand side. Oh my goodness. Splash Bros.
Not being very kind to me.
Splash Bros.
What a name. I think everything else was taken.
Oh, very good. There aren't as many cars as I'd like to be playing with, but let's right again.
I'll just call my mum. Oh, come into Southampton.
Yeah.
Come at me.
There he is again.
He's
He's everywhere.
Guys with no helmet.
He's on the pavement, he's on the road. Is it a man? Is it a plane?
No, stupid guy.
Scooter man.
They're like racing each other.
They are. I swear she's breaking the speed limit. It's only a 20 round here, ma'am.
Going down. You're welcome.
I'm so proud of you. Yeah, that was brilliant.
Finally.
No panic.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, we got to practice and you did it beautifully. Well done.